Hey guys, today I'm doing another moving vlog. I have lots of updates in my apartment and my life. So I recently just got a couch, I got a TV stand, and I got some bar stools, and I'll show you guys that in a second. So I've actually been kind of busy lately. I had my boyfriend come and help me move a couch and a TV stand that I bought off Facebook Marketplace to the apartment. And then that weekend actually at graduation, if you don't know, I just graduated from Auburn University and I got a degree in marketing, and I actually really preferred this graduation over like a traditional one because we had it in the football stadium and it was really fun. You wore a mask and you just like walked across and they showed your name on the Jumbotron. So I'll insert a picture of what that looked like, and then we got to take pictures on the field. And then since I'm a business major, I got to go to the graduate business building, and it has like a little rooftop terrace, and I got to take some photos on that. So that was really fun. And then I got to go home and bring stuff from my house to my new apartment, which I'm really excited about because everything is like slowly but surely coming together. All right, here's the first update. My couch is just a dark charcoal gray. I especially love the nail head detailing. I got this from Facebook Marketplace, and it's originally from Ashley Furniture Store, and then I already had those two pillows. I need to get some more. And then I brought that blanket from home. I'm not totally obsessed with how the pillows and the blanket looks, but I'm so obsessed with how it looks with my rug. I just feel like it makes my rug look lighter, which I wanted. And here is my TV stand. I got this on Facebook Marketplace too. It is from IKEA, and I love all the storage and how it can be like hidden. I don't know how I'm gonna style it yet. So right now I just have these little books right there. I definitely want to switch out the Auburn book. And then I have like some candles and coasters and my remote. Also, big update from last time, my Wi-Fi is working. This corner is a little bit of a mess. I have my yoga mat, a blanket, and then some pictures I need to hang. On this little cart, I'm storing my jewelry and my perfume. So eventually this is going to be a bar cart. I think I'm gonna put some contact paper on the top because I really do like this cart and I want to keep it. But at the same time, I might get something else. I brought this iMac from home. I'm eventually going to put a little desk and chair right here, but for now it's just chilling on the ground. And then these are the counter stools I got from Amazon. I'm so obsessed with it. It's called like a ghost chair, and I really like the acrylic because you can see through it so it doesn't like take up space. I'm really glad I just got two. They came in a set of two because I can open my coat closet without it like hitting right here. And then I put all the coats that I brought from home in here. So those are my updates so far. I'm actually about to go to IKEA because they finally have the dressers that I want to put on each side of my bed as nightstands in stock. So excited. Also only have one in stock of the coffee table I want, so hopefully I can snag it. Otherwise, I guess I'll be waiting for a coffee table. My boyfriend's actually gonna be coming this weekend to help me build the furniture. I mean, really, he's probably gonna be building it, but he really likes that kind of stuff. So I'll finally have nightstands and dressers and won't have clothes on the floor. And then I also ordered some more photos to go on my collage wall back there, and hopefully that will be enough to finish it. It may not be enough, but I'm gonna pick those up today too and then start on that. So it's been a few days later. I forgot to film, but I have some new updates for you guys. I finally have my dressers and my nightstands built. Obviously, don't really know how I'm styling them yet. And then I hung this painting that was in my old room above my bed. This is from Society 6. I also didn't think about how the dresser was gonna cover up a lot of the wall, so I might take those photos off so I can reuse them for the collage. And I have all my new photos. They're in here right now, but we're gonna wait to put those up. This little hallway that has my closet and my bathroom door, I hung this little painting from TJ Maxx. I had it in my room last year, but I never had it hung. And then I hung this little painting in my bathroom. So those are the updates so far. I'm so happy with the dressers and the paintings. I just have basically the desk in my living room to do and then decor, and then I'll be finished. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm actually dressed up right now because I have an interview on Zoom in about 30 minutes. So I'm about to do that. And then I'm gonna finish the collage wall. Hopefully after that, we'll see. But yeah, those are the updates so far. So here's my little makeshift desk right now. I just have a notebook with notes from the job description, a water, my phone, a laptop, obviously, a pen, and then I put this paper taped to the wall of my experience and questions I might get asked based on that. So wish me luck, everyone. I'm just sitting on the couch right now and I'm watching Selling Sunset. I'm on episode 3. And my interview went all right. It wasn't like the best thing ever, but I think I did okay. I should find out in about a week if I move on to the next round. So we shall see. But the interviewer told me that this role isn't going to start until October. So I guess I'm gonna apply to more jobs just in case I don't hear back. So I'm also like casually looking at jobs right now on my laptop, but I do have an interview for a part-time position as a group fitness instructor at this gym on Wednesday. We'll see how that goes. I might film that day, I don't know yet, but I really want to get back into group fitness because I really miss it. And I haven't taught a class since before spring break, which is so weird to think about. Very random, but if you like sea salt, you should try these ruffle chips. I love them so much. They're very good in like French onion dip, if you're into that, or like spinach and artichoke dip. But I'm gonna watch a little bit more of Selling Sunset, and then I'm gonna work on the wall in my bedroom. All right, here are all the new photos for the collage wall. I organized everything by color. So over here, it's kind of like some nudes, and then it goes into whites, light pinks, hot pinks, and then it fades into some darker backgrounds, and then into black and white. And I'm watching Selling Sunset while I do this. So this is about where I left off last time, and this is how much I've gotten done. So more than halfway. I'm really loving how it is turning out so far. I did run out of tape, so I can't put any more photos up, but these are the rest that I have, and I just reorganized them by color, black and white to nudes to whites, and then light pink and hot pink. To be continued.
Cheers.
All clean.
Lemon sports bra, and then love to work out what I can now to like get back into it. Bag on. I ordered this on Amazon.
This is what I'm having for breakfast / lunch. It's just a bagel with cream cheese, turkey, and Colby Jack cheese, and then some green grapes. I can't tell if it's cute or creepy. It is finally complete. I can't believe it. I had to take another trip to Walgreens because I ran out of tape again, so I didn't record that, but I'm so obsessed with how it turned out. I think it looks so good. I love how crisp it is on the top and the sides. I worked so hard on this and I love it. It was completely worth it. Just took a lot of time. This is the only personal photo on this entire wall. The rest of it is just kind of like quotes and inspo for fashion. Like we have the Hadid sisters all over this. We have lots of Kendall Jenner. We have Hailey Bieber, and just lots of stuff. It's just basically an entire mood wall. We have Paris Hilton down there. We have the Skinny Confidential, Madison Beer. We just have it all. But I love it so much. I know I definitely wanted a lot of pink, but I didn't want it to be full pink. So I like how there's pops of white and black because I also like white and black. And then I tried to incorporate some like beige in there. And I just love it. This took me 3 trips to Walgreens here, not including like the 40 photos that I started with, so love that. I think there's about 120 photos. If I figure out how many there are, I'll put it on the screen, but I just love it so much. I only had 1 photo left over, which is this YSL little print in the sand, and I didn't end up using it, which is fine, so I'll probably throw it away because I don't really know where else to use it, but at least I didn't waste a ton of pictures. I only had 1 left over. So I'm pretty proud of myself for estimating correctly. I got a request to do a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. I just wanted to have the wall finished in the background so I had more of a background, I guess, and I will definitely move my robe when I do that, but I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and then I'll show you guys my outfit. Makeup and hair are complete. I just did what I like to call a natural glam look, I guess, and then I just curled my hair. Currently feeling like a Victoria's Secret model right now from my big curls that haven't really fallen yet, and also wearing the pink robe. There's a UPS truck like right outside my window and they're making a lot of noise, but I'm gonna go find an outfit. All right, here is the outfit. I'm wearing this little tank top from Nasty Gal, some black shorts, and then these little tan sandals, and I just have on some silver hoops and my necklace I wear every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.